Hey there, crochet lovers! Welcome to this fun and easy tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful heart-shaped coaster. These coasters are perfect for protecting your tables, adding a cozy touch to your home, or even as heartfelt gifts for friends and family. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, you've got this. Let's create something adorable together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more crafting inspiration. Let's get started. Let's begin with round 1. Start by making a magic ring. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first, you'll get the hang of it. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops to make a double crochet. Repeat this 11 more times so you have 12 double crochets in total. Pull the tail to close the ring and slip stitch to join. Great job, you've nailed your first round. Tip: keep your tension loose to make it easier to work into the ring later. Now for round 2, we're going to increase to make our coaster grow. Chain 2, this doesn't count as a stitch, then work 2 double crochets into each of the 12 stitches from round 1. That gives you 24 double crochets total. Slip stitch to join. You're doing amazing. Your coaster is starting to take shape. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of the beginning of each round. It's a lifesaver for staying organized. Moving on to round 3, let's keep the rhythm going. Chain 2, then work 1 double crochet in the first stitch, followed by 2 double crochets, a DC increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern, 1 DC, then 1 DC ink 12 times around. You'll end up with 36 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Wow, you're rocking this. Your coaster is looking so cute already. Tip: count your stitches at the end of each round to ensure you haven't missed any. It's easy to do, but you've got this. For round 4, chain 2, and let's create more texture. Work 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochets, a DC increase in the next stitch, followed by 1 double crochet in the stitch after that. Repeat this sequence, DC, DC ink, DC, 12 times around. You'll have 48 stitches total. Slip stitch to join. Fantastic work. You're halfway there, and your coaster is shaping up beautifully. Tip: if your edges start to curl, gently block your work later with steam or water for a polished look. Now it's time for round 5. Let's add some fun texture with bobble stitches. Change to a new yarn color. I love how this adds a pop of contrast. Chain 2, then in the first stitch, work 5 unfinished double crochets together to create a bobble stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops but don't finish. Repeat 4 more times, then yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Chain 3, then make another bobble stitch in the same stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches and repeat this pattern. Bobble, chain 3, bobble, skip 3, around. Slip stitch to join. You're doing incredibly well. This heart pattern is starting to shine. Tip: keep your bobble stitches loose to avoid puckering. Pull gently on your work if needed. For round 6, let's define those heart shapes. Chain 1, then between each pair of bobble stitches, the hearts, work 2 single crochets. In the center of each heart, right in the middle of the bobble stitches, work 7 double crochets. Repeat this pattern 2 SC between hearts, 7 DC in the heart center, around. Slip stitch to join. Amazing job, you've created such a lovely heart design. Tip: if your hearts look uneven, gently tug on the stitches to even them out. It's normal and you're doing great. Finally, let's add a beautiful edging to finish your coaster. Chain 50, then insert your hook under one stitch and over the next stitch from round 4. Think of it like weaving. Pull the chain through, then repeat this process, chaining 50 and weaving through every other stitch around round 4. Slip stitch to join when you're back at the start. You've done it. Your coaster is stunning and ready to use. Tip: if the edging feels tight, use a larger hook for the chains to keep it flexible and pretty. Congratulations on completing your heart-shaped coaster. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. These coasters make perfect gifts or a lovely addition to your home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your crafting friends. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how your coaster turned out or see your photos. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!